Hello there, this is Jake Emling, one of the horticulturists here at AgroLiquid, and today we're going to be talking about grapes. So, over the past several years, we've been working on grapes, not just here at the North Central Research Station, but all across the U.S. But today I wanted to share with you guys some of our research results that we've had at the NCRS. So, on the grapes, we've been looking at not just what kind of effects foliar fertilizers do to grapes, but also the long-term effects, pretty much the sustainability of how our products compare to both conventional fertilizer practices. At the time of harvest, we will collect fruit samples and we test them for things like how much sugar the grapes have, the pH of the juice, and also the titratable acidity, which we commonly refer to as the TA. To test the sugars, you guys are probably familiar with a refractometer, which you put some of the juice onto the screen here, and the amount of sugar in the juice actually reflects light. And depending at how much sugar is in that juice, changes the pitch of the light, and that's how the little scale inside of the refractometer works. For pH, we just use a simple pH meter, and the titratable acidity, we use a setup kind of like what they have over here in the chemistry lab. So as you can see here, this is a chart showing some of the effects of the fruit chemistry on the Concord grapes here in 2015. As I mentioned earlier, we measure pH, which is represented by the gray bars, the titratable acidity, which is represented by the yellow bars, and the amount of sugar, or what we refer to as Brix, in the blue bar. So we have a conventional fertilizer program, which the details about that fertilizer program can be found on our website, and the AgroLiquid fertility program, which consisted of High Energy N, Pro Germinator, Sure K, and Micro 500. Both that and the conventional fertilizers were applied at the springtime. So at the time of harvest, we can see there's definitely an effect of what kind of fertility the grapes are getting. As you can see, with the use of the AgroLiquid program, we get higher amount of sugar, and we don't really change the pH or the acidity, which is important for juice growers. This is consistent with the same kind of results that we've been seeing the last several years. This research can be found on our research tab on our website at agroliquid.com.